Boys and girls, friends and neighbors, and gearheads of all ages, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you from Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And if you've been following the channel long, you probably familiar with this car. We've got a couple of updates on it, and up till now, and now it's finally starting to get to the pretty parts. So figured I'd shoot a little video with kind of let you know how it's progressing. We do fix some of them. We don't flip them all. But this one right here used to belong to Bob, and now it belongs to Field Agent 413. So, yeah, you may recognize it from some of those videos where we was doing the doors and brakes and exhaust and stuff like that. Well, all that is done, and getting it prepped under the hood. This is over at Mr. Quick's shop. He's done the yellow Barracuda. You may remember the video on it as well. It's coming along too, but there it is. It is going to be a bright red car for sure. If that bright red ain't good enough for you and it don't make you smile, check out that bright orange. That's what's going back in it. So yeah, it's 440. 69 steel crank 440. I think it's probably a 350 horse motor, but you know, everything's cleaned and detailed and getting ready to go back in. So you get to see a little progress on it. I'll get another update on this as it comes along. You know, once it gets the motor and everything back in it. But check that out. That is going to be a really bright red. So, but there it is. Appreciate you watching. Always hit that thumbs up button right there. Do the bell notification. That'll let you know when the next cool video is coming. So you can be the one that tells all your buddies about it. And there you go. 1969 Sport Satellite. Yep. I think it's new lease on life is going to be he said he's going to do a GTX clone out of it. That'd be a good way to go with Sport Satellite, because if you're unfamiliar with Mopar stuff, the GTX was a dressed up version. They had a nicer interior and some trim and stuff, and the Sport Satellite had the same thing. Just you could get a little different running gear in a Satellite than you could GTX, depending on what you were looking for. But there it is. Y'all stay tuned. We'll bring you more. It's Field Agent 880. Thanks for watching.